Hello everyone, welcome back to Machine's Visit. Apples are one of the most beloved fruits across America, but behind every bite lies a story most people never see. Each year, American farmers harvest more than 10.3 billion pounds of apples. That number sounds almost unbelievable, yet it's only the beginning. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to uncover the incredible journey of apples, from vast green orchards where ripe, juicy fruit is carefully picked, to powerful modern factories where those apples become refreshing juice, rich apple pies, flavorful cider, and the perfect fresh apples that eventually reach your table. But the real question is, what truly happens between the orchard and your kitchen? Stay with us as we dive into the fascinating and often surprising world of apple production. Now let's begin with the most important step, the apple harvest. Today we're visiting one of the largest apple growing regions in the United States, Washington State. Often called the apple capital of the nation. With its perfect climate, fertile soil, and ideal growing conditions, Washington produces more than 70% of all apples in the country. But this region is more than just famous, it's where some of the finest apples in the world are born. Apple trees typically take 2 to 3 years after planting before they begin to bloom, and after those delicate blossoms appear, it takes several more months for them to slowly transform into the plump, juicy apples we recognize. When harvest season finally arrives, the quiet orchards suddenly burst into life. Farmers move carefully between the rows of trees, picking each apple by hand. Using a gentle twisting motion, they remove the fruit from the branch without damaging its skin. This simple technique may look easy, but it is critical for keeping the apples fresh during transport and later processing. Carefully collecting the fruit while protecting it from damage. One impressive machine includes a rotating cleaning unit built directly into the conveyor system. Soft brushes spin continuously, gently removing dirt and tiny impurities from the apple's surface without harming its delicate skin. This process perfectly blends the experience of skilled farmers with advanced technology, ensuring the apples maintain exceptional quality. It is the very first step in the long journey that eventually brings Washington's famous apples to your table. Apple packaging line. After being carefully harvested and safely transported, the apples continue their journey inside modern processing facilities. This is where powerful technology takes over, making sure every apple remains fresh and meets the high standards consumers expect. The first step at the facility is a deep cleaning process. Apples are placed into automated washing systems where they move through large water tanks. Gentle currents swirl around the fruit, removing dirt, sand, and surface impurities. Next, the apples pass through a high-pressure spray system where strong nozzles clean every tiny surface of each apple, eliminating any remaining debris. In some advanced facilities, ozone-treated water or mild sanitizing solutions are also used to meet strict food safety standards. After washing, the apples travel upward along conveyor belts toward the drying section. Here, modern drying systems use a powerful yet controlled airflow to remove excess moisture from the fruit without affecting its quality. Once fully cleaned, the apples move into the sorting area, where advanced optical scanners begin a detailed inspection. These intelligent systems analyze each apple's size, color, shape, and even the condition of its skin within seconds. The highest quality apples are separated according to grade and size, preparing them for packaging or premium markets. Apples that do not meet these strict standards aren't wasted. Instead, they are redirected to other processing lines where they will become apple juice, cider, or other apple-based products. After sorting, the apples continue along the conveyor belt to the automated labeling system. Using precise sensors, the labeling machines quickly detect the correct position and apply small labels neatly to each apple. From there, the freshly sorted apples move to the packaging area, slowly blending together to create a rich and flavorful mixture that fills the air with an irresistible aroma. Next, the pie crust is carefully prepared using premium butter, whole wheat flour, honey, and ice-cold water, a combination that ensures the crust stays perfectly flaky after baking. The dough is rolled into thin sheets and gently placed over pie molds while the warm apple filling is automatically pumped into each crust. After that, a top layer of dough is added and the edges are neatly trimmed and crimped before the pies are moved into a convection oven where they bake evenly. Usually the baking process takes around 10 to 15 minutes at temperatures between 375 and 425 degrees, creating golden brown pies with a perfectly crisp crust. Only the pies that meet strict quality standards move forward, where they are flash frozen, sealed in airtight packaging. One of the most common tools used on large apple farms. At the start, the machine is carefully positioned next to the apple tree that needs to be harvested. Its mechanical arm wraps tightly around the trunk, ensuring the device can grip the tree securely before the shaking process begins. Once activated, the machine starts vibrating the tree with controlled force, gradually increasing from low to high intensity so the apples fall without being severely damaged. Within seconds, dozens of apples begin dropping from the branches, landing on the ground around the tree. After the apples fall, specialized apple sweeping machines move in to collect them. These machines feature a rotating arm close to the ground that gathers the apples while a front barrier pushes them into neat rows so they are not crushed by passing equipment. Farmers guide the machine carefully as it moves along the orchard rows. The rotating mechanism lifts the apples from the ground and transfers them onto a conveyor system that carries them into a storage bin attached to the back of the machine. As the apples move along the conveyor, small impurities such as dry leaves, weeds, and debris are automatically separated and removed. Once the rear bin is full, the machine transfers the apples into another trailer that will carry them directly to the storage facility for further processing. In some orchards, farmers also use shaking machines equipped with catching nets. These operate in a similar way to standard shaking machines, but instead of allowing apples to fall directly onto the ground, a large net spreads beneath the tree to catch them. Once the apples land on the net, they are automatically guided onto a conveyor belt that transports them into a storage container. This system combines the functions of shaking and collecting into a single machine, making harvesting faster and more efficient. However, it still has limitations, as the shaking motion can sometimes damage apples and the machine cannot selectively pick only the perfectly ripe fruit. Because of this, farmers often stand nearby to remove damaged apples during collection, helping to reduce waste and improve overall quality. Another fascinating machine used in modern orchards is the over-the-row apple harvester, a specialized system developed in Germany. This machine is designed for orchards where apple trees are smaller, have fewer branches, and grow under 3 meters in height while being planted in straight rows. As the large machine moves slowly over the trees, a multi-tier rotating shaft system made from soft rubber rings begins shaking the branches. The vibrations cause the ripe red apples to fall from the tree, where they are immediately captured and carried away by a conveyor belt into a storage container. Although this method is incredibly modern and efficient, it also has some drawbacks, as the machine does not remove impurities like leaves and may occasionally damage the fruit during harvesting. Once the apples reach the cider factory, a completely new stage of their journey begins. The apples are first placed into an automated washing system where powerful spray nozzles and soaking tanks work together to remove dirt and impurities from their surface. This step is critical because it ensures the apples are clean and safe before the juice extraction process begins. After washing, the apples are transferred into a grinding machine where they are crushed into a thick pulp, releasing their natural juices and preparing the mixture for pressing. The pulp is then transferred to a powerful hydraulic or screw press where immense pressure squeezes out fresh apple juice. This stage is extremely important because the quality of the extracted juice will ultimately determine the flavor of the cider. To ensure purity, the juice passes through a fine filtration system that removes tiny pulp particles and impurities, leaving behind a clear, aromatic liquid that captures the natural sweetness of the apples. The fresh juice is then pumped into large fermentation tanks, typically made from stainless steel or oak. At this stage, yeast is carefully added to start the fermentation process, where natural sugars in the apple juice slowly transform into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This transformation takes place in a carefully controlled environment where temperature and timing are precisely regulated. The fermentation usually lasts between 1 and 3 weeks, allowing the cider to develop its unique flavor and balanced alcohol content. Once the cider reaches the desired taste and quality, it moves to an automated bottling line where the liquid undergoes light pasteurization with controlled heat or membrane filtration to ensure safety and stability. Each bottle is then carefully filled, tightly sealed, and labeled with detailed information including the type of cider, alcohol content, and production date. Before leaving the facility, the bottles pass through one final quality inspection to guarantee consistency and safety. After approval, the finished cider is packed and prepared for distribution to local stores or export to international markets. Apple cider has a long and fascinating history in the United States, dating back to the 17th century when European settlers brought apple seeds and cider-making traditions to the New World. During colonial times, cider quickly became a popular beverage because apples were easy to grow and clean drinking water was often unreliable. Today, cider is still widely enjoyed and is commonly bottled in larger containers for convenient everyday use. In addition to cider, fresh apples are also transformed into bottled apple juice, one of the most popular natural beverages in the country. The production process shares several steps with cider making. After apples are washed, crushed, and pressed to extract the juice, the liquid undergoes pasteurization at temperatures between 60 and 85 degrees Celsius for a short period. This step removes bacteria and yeast while preserving the natural taste and valuable nutrients of the apples. Meanwhile, the leftover apple pulp, often called apple pumice, is rarely wasted and is commonly used as nutritious animal feed. Once pasteurization is complete, the juice moves to an automated packaging line where glass bottles or small drink pouches are first sterilized before being filled with fresh juice. The containers are sealed tightly and labeled with all necessary product information. Each batch undergoes strict quality checks to ensure the juice meets safety standards and maintains its refreshing flavor before it is distributed to retail markets. Apple juice is not only delicious but also provides several health benefits. It contains vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural compounds that can support the immune system and overall health. Because of its naturally sweet taste and easy-to-drink texture, apple juice has become a common part of American diets, enjoyed at family breakfasts, school lunches, and even sporting events. Apples themselves have become a symbol of American agriculture, widely grown in states such as Washington and New York, where farms produce millions of tons each year. The popularity of apple juice and apple-based foods supports the agricultural economy and contributes to a rich food culture that includes iconic traditions like apple pie and autumn harvest festivals. In many ways, apple juice represents more than just a beverage. It reflects an important part of American life and culinary heritage. Another popular apple product is applesauce. The production of applesauce begins with carefully washing and peeling the apples before cutting them into small pieces that cook more easily. These pieces are placed into large cooking pots with a small amount of water to soften them while preserving their natural flavor. During cooking, ingredients such as sugar or spices like cinnamon may be added depending on the recipe. Once the apples become tender, they are mashed or blended until they reach the desired consistency, which can range from slightly chunky to completely smooth. The finished applesauce is then packed into jars or sealed containers and prepared for sale or long-term storage. Now you have a complete overview of how farmers harvest and process billions of pounds of apples every year, transforming them into a wide range of foods and beverages enjoyed around the world. From orchard harvesting to high-tech factories producing cider, juice, pies, and applesauce, the journey of an apple is far more complex than most people imagine. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible process, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories from the world of agriculture. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.